Stoicism for Everyday Life, 10 Lessons to Help You Live Happier and More Fulfilled. Introduction. In our fast-paced and often chaotic world, the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment can feel like an elusive quest. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that originated in Greece, offered valuable insights and practical lessons for leading a more content and meaningful life. While Stoicism may be thousands of years old, its principles are as relevant today as ever. In this essay, we will explore 10 key Stoic lessons that can help you find happiness and fulfillment in your everyday life. By applying these teachings, you can develop the tools to navigate the challenges and uncertainties of modern existence with wisdom and equanimity. 1. Control what you can, accept what you can't. Stoicism's fundamental lesson is the distinction between what is within your control and what is beyond it. To live a happier and more fulfilled life, focus your attention on things you can influence, such as your thoughts, actions, and choices. External circumstances, like the actions of others or unforeseen events, are outside your control. By embracing this Stoic principle, you can reduce stress and anxiety as well as make better decisions and approach life's challenges with a more balanced perspective. 2. Set realistic expectations. Setting realistic expectations is crucial for happiness and fulfillment. While ambitious goals are admirable, they should be balanced with an understanding of your limitations. Unrealistic expectations can lead to disappointment and demotivation. By setting attainable goals, you will experience a greater sense of accomplishment and happiness as you make steady progress. 3. Embrace adversity as a teacher. Stoicism encourages us to view adversity as a valuable teacher. Instead of fearing challenges, Stoics confront them with resilience and courage. Adversity is seen as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. By adopting this Stoic perspective, you can approach difficulties as opportunities to learn and become stronger, ultimately leading to greater fulfillment. 4. Develop emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is a key element of Stoicism. It teaches us to withstand adversity with grace and courage. Stoics believe that by developing emotional resilience, you can navigate adversity with greater composure and determination. This resilience allows you to respond to challenges more effectively and maintain a positive outlook even in the face of adversity. 5. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is an essential tool for achieving happiness and fulfillment. Stoicism encourages individuals to master their desires and impulses. By practicing self-control, you can avoid distractions, stay focused on your goals, and maintain a strong work ethic. Success often requires sacrifices and delayed gratification, and self-discipline is the key to making these sacrifices. 6. Live in accordance with virtue. Virtue is at the heart of Stoic philosophy and includes qualities such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Living in accordance with virtue not only leads to personal fulfillment, but also fosters a sense of moral integrity and honor. Virtuous living guides your actions, enabling you to make ethical decisions and maintain your integrity, which is essential for a happier and more fulfilled life. 7. Accept the impermanence of life. Stoicism teaches us to embrace the impermanence of all things. Change is a constant in life, and success often requires adapting to new circumstances and challenges. By accepting this reality, you can become more adaptable and open to change. Stoic practices for contemplating the impermanence of life help you maintain a balanced perspective and reduce fear of the unknown. 8. Focus on the present moment. Happiness and fulfillment are closely tied to being fully present in the moment. Stoicism encourages individuals to concentrate their attention on the task at hand and to savor the present rather than dwelling on past regrets or worrying about the future. By living in the moment, you can make better decisions, experience a greater sense of fulfillment, and find joy in the small moments of everyday life. 9. Be mindful of your reactions. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of being mindful of your reactions to external events. Instead of reacting impulsively to challenges or setbacks, take a step back, assess the situation, and choose a reasoned response. By cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness, you can make better decisions, avoid unnecessary conflicts, and maintain a more peaceful and balanced life. 10. Maintain equanimity. Equanimity, or maintaining emotional balance, is a critical Stoic lesson for a happier and more fulfilled life. Whether faced with adversity or success, it's important to avoid extreme emotional reactions. Stoicism teaches that you should neither be overly elated by success nor devastated by failure. Maintaining emotional balance allows you to make clear, rational decisions and approach life's challenges and opportunities with a steady mind. Conclusion. Stoicism offers a rich source of wisdom and practical guidance for living a happier and more fulfilled life. By applying the 10 Stoic lessons, you can build a foundation for personal contentment and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Stoicism empowers you to focus on what you can control, set realistic expectations, embrace adversity as a teacher, develop emotional resilience, practice self-discipline, live in accordance with virtue, accept the impermanence of life, focus on the present moment, be mindful of your reactions, and maintain equanimity. Incorporating these Stoic principles into your daily life may take time and effort, but the rewards are substantial. Stoicism provides the tools to confront challenges with grace and to find happiness and fulfillment in your everyday experiences. So, embrace these Stoic lessons, let them guide you, and live a life that is both happier and more fulfilled, regardless of the trials and tribulations that may come your way.